How to fix the disk structure is corrupted and unreadable error on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss on location is unavailable error on your Windows. So in order to solve this issue, first of all click on the search bar and search for command prompt. Make sure to run it as administrator, and the command that you need to check is check disk your drive /r. Once you have checked this one, the issue of the disk structure can be solved. This should probably fix the issue. However, if it does not, let's move on to the second method. For that, open Device Manager. On the search bar, search for Device Manager and open it. After that, click on the disk drivers. Right-click on your adapter and then update your driver. You can also reinstall the device by clicking on uninstall, and after that right-click it again and click for scan for hardware changes. Once this is done, reboot your device. So these were the two solutions that you can apply to fix this issue. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.